Welcome to this special introduction to Plasma HealX4, a groundbreaking device designed to accelerate healing, reduce recovery time, and improve overall well-being. Let's take a closer look in what makes Plasma HealX4 a game changer in medical technology. At first glance, Plasma HealX4 stands out with its cutting-edge design and intuitive interface. The device is compact yet powerful, offering versatile solutions for a range of medical conditions. The touchscreen lets you easily navigate through the treatment options, allowing you to have easily control and customization. Whether you are treating wounds, reducing pain, promoting skin rejuvenation, or accelerating recovery after surgery, Plasma HealX4 offers a specialized treatment for a wide variety of medical conditions. Plasma HealX4 comes equipped with 4 specialized handpieces, each designed to deliver powerful but yet non-harmful plasma energy for different applications. These handpieces are easy to handle without forgetting these buttons, made as shortcuts, which provides the precision needed for targeted treatments. The device is simple to use, and the customizable settings with recommended presets ensure that you can select the right treatment for your specific needs. With just a few taps on the touchscreen, you can start the healing process for conditions ranging from minor skin wounds to chronic pain, all with safe, non-invasive technology. Whether you're in need of a quick pain relief, recovery from an injury, or rejuvenation of a skin or tissue, Plasma HealX4 is here to provide non-invasive, effective solution. It's easy to use and versatile, make it an essential tool for both medical professionals and patients alike. For more information or to learn how Plasma HealX4 can transform your recovery experience, visit our website or contact us today.